CPA Canada's website exhorts new recruits to become a CPA and be a recognized leader, exerting global influence. In 2019, shortly after the amalgamation of the three legacy professional bodies, they launched Foresight, reimagining the profession. They asked the ambitious and the gullible to step into a world driven by data. As our largest firms transitioned from auditing and tax services to a brave new world dominated by management consulting, big data, and business advisory services. The profession that had built its reputation as an honest broker, attesting to the accuracy of public company financial statements, had recognized that our staid reputation as bookkeepers needed to change. The decline in the number of public companies worldwide and the increasing importance of private equity was quickly eroding the importance of audit services. However, replacing audit revenue with management consulting has severely tarnished the profession's honest broker pretensions. Despite valiant attempts at virtue signaling, our commitment to ethical behavior has sounded a lot more like old-fashioned marketing than anything else. Between 1999 and 2001, there were the Enron and WorldCom scandals that brought about the end of Arthur Andersen, the world's fifth-largest accounting firm at the time. Then came the series of 5 money laundering and tax evasion scandals facilitated by some of our most prominent legal and tax advisory firms between 2015 and 2021. The HSBC Geneva scandal occurred in 2015 when it was revealed that HSBC's private Swiss bank helped clients evade taxes and hide millions of dollars in assets. The scandal was exposed by the International Consortium of Investigative Journalists and various media outlets. The Paradise Papers scandal occurred in 2017, just after the Panama Papers in 2016, and a few years before the Pandora Papers in 2021. Just a few months ago, in December of 2023, Australia's Financial Review reported that
the Big Four accounting firms will be hit with penalties of up to $782.5 million for breaching the Tax Agent Code of Professional Conduct under an overhaul proposed by the government in response to the PwC tax scandal. The Code of Conduct will also be updated with stricter rules on conflicts of interests, profiting from government information, and false or misleading statements to the Tax Practitioners Board.
Today, more than 99% of public accounting firms are very small. 78% are one- or two-person firms, and together small firms make up about 60% of Canada's 94,000 or so accountants in public practice. The most profitable of these have almost no staff and leverage technology instead of junior staff. By contrast, our largest 20 firms use leverage in a big way. In other words, they mark up the wage costs of junior staff by as much as 7 to 9 times. Our smallest firms work almost exclusively in income tax compliance and planning. At SBA Canada, we believe this is the future of the accounting occupation in Canada. In our view, these smaller firms represent the best place to learn the underlying accounting algorithm and to understand tax compliance as it relates to small business in Canada.